Hey, this is Dan with Honeymoon Always, and today we're going to talk about the loyalty and travel discount available at Sandals Resorts. This is one of their best deals, but it's not always the best. So we're going to talk about the details and when is a good time to book the loyalty and travel discount versus when you should do something different. So the loyalty and travel discount is the discount you get when you're staying at a Sandals resort. So you've already booked it, you're there, and you're going to see the loyalty and travel desk or office. And sometimes they'll even have some of their team members walking around the resort to see if you'd like to book your next trip. They might even call your room to see if you want to book your next trip while you're at the resort. And the benefit is that you get a discount. For a luxury room, you'll get 10% off, and then it goes to 12% if you get a butler, with 11% being in the middle with a club level room. So a really good discount. Additionally, you can combine it with some of the other deals that are going on. So the 777 deals, which change weekly, you can combine that with the loyalty and travel discount. There's also the seasonal discounts that they have going on all the time. So you can combine a lot of those with the loyalty and travel discount, but you can't combine all of the deals. So we'll touch on that in just a minute. But overall, it's a really good deal to get. So if you're at Sandals and you're looking to book your next trip, you can do that. Now, there are a few cons to booking the loyalty and travel discount. The number one is that $250 deposit. It's non-refundable. So once you've paid that, you're not gonna get it back. There is some flexibility. You can change your dates, you can make some adjustments, but the deposit is non-refundable, which is different than other bookings with Sandals where they're refundable up to 45 days before you travel. Additionally, you cannot choose to change travel agents if you do a loyalty and travel discount. So this booking, you're doing it directly with Sandals, and you can transfer it to your existing travel agent that booked you on the trip that you are currently on. You cannot change to a different travel agent, which is an email I get all the time of people that had a travel agent that maybe didn't provide them the service or didn't have the knowledge that they were expecting. And they're like, Dan, can I switch to you? And the answer is no. And secondly, if you booked that trip and you didn't have a travel agent, it's gonna stay with Sandals. You can't move it to another travel agent. Other than that, it's really a great discount. So not many cons, but there are some times where you can get a better deal with Sandals that is not with the loyalty and travel discount. For one, you cannot combine it with the anniversary discount. So if you are traveling within 30 days of your wedding anniversary, you get 1 night free if you stay for 7 nights in a club level or butler level room. So that 1 night free out of 7 is better than the loyalty and travel discount you'll find at resort. So no reason to wait to be on resort to book your next trip if it's gonna be within 30 days of your anniversary. The other mistake I see a lot of people making is waiting several months to get on resort to make that next booking. And the reason that is a mistake is because prices are always going up. I've never really seen them going down or staying the same. So after a few months, that savings you would get with the loyalty and travel discount, 10, 11, 12%, the prices increased since you were originally thinking about doing that booking. So the real way to save is to book as soon as possible as you have an idea of what you would want, because you can always make adjustments or cancel later on. You can even make a booking today and then wait till you get on resort and review the pricing to see which one is better and keep the better deal of the two. So there's really no reason to wait for the loyalty and travel discount to make your booking. And I see it all the time where people wait 4 to 6 months, even longer, to make their next booking because they're on site for the loyalty and travel discount, but then they end up paying more regardless. So that is everything about the loyalty and travel discount. Let us know if you have any questions. If you'd like help booking, you can email me at info@honeymoonalways.com and we'll get back to you. Or if you do not want to work with a travel agent, you can click the link below and you'll book directly with Sandals. But it does tell the resorts that we sent you, and we appreciate that so much.